Also this hour, we've got a brand new trial we're broadcasting, the Pregnant Mistress Murder Trial. There's the defendant. This is Jose Soto-Escalera. He's accused of murdering his mistress, Tania Wise, who was 8.5 months pregnant with their child, a baby Josiah. This is a death penalty case, and right now we've got the victim's mom on the stand, Elizabeth Betolla. Let's go in.
Okay. And did you know a female by the name of Tania Wise?
Yes, she's my daughter.
Okay. She's your daughter. Okay. I want you to go ahead and describe Tania for us. So first, way back on August 23rd of 2018, how old was Tania?
She was 23.
I'm sorry?
She was 23.
Okay. And did she have children?
Yes. At home, she had an 8-year-old, Jamar, and she was pregnant.
Okay. How far along was she in her pregnancy?
She was about 8.5 months.
Okay. And had Tania decided on the name of the baby?
She decided that on the baby shower. It's Josiah Thomas Wise.
Okay. A boy?
A boy.
Okay. And did she live with you on August 23rd of 2018?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where did you guys live? What was the address?
2014 Southwest Larchmont Lane in Port St. Lucie.
Okay. Is that located near Bayshore Boulevard?
Yes.
Okay. And is there like a Winn-Dixie close to that area?
Yeah, if you continue the road, it's 2 blocks down. There's a Winn-Dixie.
Okay. Do you remember her phone number?
I believe so. It's 772-607.
Okay. And did you pay for her phone or did somebody else pay for it?
Bradley paid for it.
And what's Bradley's name?
Bradley, I think it's Rodriguez. I'm not sure if Rodriguez or Hernandez, one of the two.
Bradley Rodriguez?
Uh-huh.
Bradley Rodriguez Jr.?
Yes.
Okay. So let me go back, and I want to focus you in on the events of August 23rd, 2018 in the evening time. Do you remember that time?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead. What were you doing around 8 in the evening on that day in your house?
Me and my daughter, Tania, we had given her son a bath because he was going to school. So we gave him a bath around that time always. And I was going to get him dressed. She was going to go out. She needed to get drinks because he didn't have no drinks for lunch the next day.
Okay. And did she, about what time did she leave?
It's probably about anywhere between a little bit after 8. Mm-hmm. I mean, I said a little bit. I mean, I didn't exactly look at the clock, but I know it was a little bit after 8. Could have been 8:15, 8:20. It was around that time.
Okay. Okay. And when she left, where was she going again? I couldn't quite hear you. I'm sorry.
She was going to go get drinks for her son for school for his lunch.
Okay.
That's the purpose she left the house, because she had problems walking and everything because of her pregnancy. So she left just to get the drinks.
Okay. And was that the last time you ever saw your daughter Tania?
Yeah, by the door. Yes.
Okay. And are you aware if Tania had a follow-up doctor's appointment the following week?
Yes, it was a Tuesday for her C-section. They were going to schedule her C-section.
Okay. On the next Tuesday?
Mm-hmm.
And that was a scheduling appointment for her C-section?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. That's all the questions I have. Thank you.
Any questions from the defense?
Ma'am, prior to your daughter's murder, you were aware that she was dating Bradley Rodriguez Jr., correct?
Yeah, they kind of had some type of relationship.
Because he actually lived with you in your house, is that right?
For a short period of time.
Okay, and in March of 2013, you had actually kicked him out of your house, right?
Correct.
And that's because he got violent with Tania?
I didn't like the way he treated her, yes.
Okay, but he laid hands on her in front of you?
I don't recall seeing him hitting her at all, but I just didn't like the way he treated my daughter.
You were also aware that she was dating another gentleman by the name of Mark Burke?
Objection, relevance.
Overruling objection. You may answer the question.
She was dating him. Like she separated from Mark. They kept a friendship and she dated Mark.
Were you aware that Rodriguez, Mr. Bradley Rodriguez Jr. would threaten Tania?
Objection, relevance, and exceeds the scope of direct examination.
I'm concerned about, no, I'll overrule the objection. You can answer the question.
I'm sorry, what was the question?
Were you aware that Mr. Bradley Rodriguez Jr. had been threatening Tania?
At one point, she had mentioned it to me. Oh,
Did you believe that Bradley Rodriguez Jr. was the father of your daughter's child?
I did.
Objection calls for speculation.
I'll sustain the objection as to what this person's opinion was is irrelevant for purposes of the trial.
Around August 15th or 16th of that year, you took your daughter to Bradley Rodriguez Jr.'s house to pick up the baby clothes, is that right?
yes.
And you told law enforcement that Mr. Burke actually was also abusive with your daughter, right?
Objection, hearsay.
Hold on 1 second.
I'll rephrase the question.
Okay, if you were to rephrase it.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Burke was violent with your daughter, correct?
I think he was.
Had your daughter just started speaking with another gentleman who went by the nickname of Casino, but his real name was Jared Christie?
That was her friend, yes.
I don't have any further questions. Judge.
Direct from the state.
They say mom knows best. She didn't like how this defendant treated her